Alright guys, welcome back to another trip report here today. Today we are flying to Cincinnati on a Frontier Airlines Airbus A320Neo. As you can see, San Diego Airport's Terminal 1 is always crowded. And look over here, here's a little view of Terminal 1 here in San Diego. Alright guys, the plane is here today. And I'm not sure what the name, it's on links, but I'm not sure what the name is. It's the tag number on this is right over here. So if anyone wants to tell me what name of this Frontier animal is, let me know. Alright guys, we're boarding the plane now. Next clip will probably be once I get to my seat and show you guys out the window. See you then. Alright guys, we're on the plane now. As you can see, I cannot hit the wing again. I'm in row 3 once again, like last time. And so here's what it looks like in the jet right now. Boarding is still happening. As you can see, San Diego Airport's Terminal 1 is really tough. So we can sort of get the wing right back here, like last time. There's Alaska.
Hold down on the mask.
Here we
The
go.
plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth.
Pushback time.
To adjust below the elastic tabs on either side. Make sure to adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger. Although oxygen is flowing, the bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with flight and information signs, postal placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Smoking of any kind, including the use of electronic cigarettes and vapor sticks, is not allowed on the aircraft. This includes in the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying the lavatory smoke detector. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your 3-hour, 52-minute flight to Cincinnati.
3:52. It's like 4:06, 4 hours and 6 minutes, because we have tailwind now. Oh, there goes a Hawaiian A330. Alright, we all know when we were flying Frontier, it's a long pushback, so. Get some more ground action for you guys. There's another Frontier A320 that had to sit for a little bit because there's only one Frontier gate. That thing came in from Denver. There's a United 737-900. We all know and love the Neo engines. See if we can try to get another plane in or not. There's a Delta E-175. Alright guys, we are first in line for takeoff here in San Diego. We got no planes behind us. So I guess we have to wait for something to land. So. Alright guys, we are entering the runway here. As we can see, we were first in line for takeoff, but we had to wait for a Frontier, a couple Southwest planes and Alaskan Airlines jet. So once this Southwest gets off the runway, we're going to be rolling. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. I love the Neo engines. by San Diego. There goes the gear. About to enter a marine layer now. Here's what I got on my flight today. Got some stroop waffles. I got 2 packs of them today. Very nice. And also I purchased this at the airport because obviously with Frontier you have to pay for your snacks and drinks. So I bought this at the airport so I wouldn't have to worry about that part. So we're still over California. I think I see the Colorado River over there, so that means we're gonna go into Arizona. Missouri is home to where I took my first flight. It was from St. Louis to San Diego, by the way. So here's a cool reference there. I took my first flight 10 years ago from St. Louis to San Diego. So it's going to be a longer clip because we're flying over the place where I used to live, St. Louis, Missouri. Downtown St. Louis is right down there. So the next clip will probably be once we get towards landing, which will probably be very soon. And the airport that's right over there, I'm zooming into right now, is Lambert St. Louis International Airport.
Please remain clear of the seatbelt fastened for the duration of the flight. If you wish to attempt to continue using laptop computers, then we'll back to the selected landing. At this time, please turn off install laptop computers along with their carry-on items under the seat in front of you. Please make sure your portable electronic devices remain in the game or airplane mode and are secured or held for the remainder of the flight. Check your seatbelt, make sure it's securely fastened. For those of you in our stretched seating, continue to raise your seat back to the full upright lock.
I don't see St. X anywhere, it's way over that way. There's a little hole. Man, look at these houses down there, big houses. Whoa. Landing parallel, if anybody? No. Should be flying over Delhi probably now. Downtown Cincinnati's way over there. That's Mount St. Joseph University right there. I just heard something in the cockpit. Alright, now we're going over the Ohio River. Always some suspicious stuff in there. Alright. Just like that. Okay. Alright guys, we are on short final into the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport on runway 18 center, I believe. No, we're on 18 left. I take that back. We're at 18 left. Scheiße. There's the viewing area. Guys, here we are in Cincinnati.
On behalf of this flight crew at Frontier Airlines, welcome to Cincinnati. The local time is 4:15 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, all carry-on items stowed, and the aisle clear until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful opening the overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. You may now turn off game or airplane mode on your
There's the DHL ramp.
And use your cell phones if they are available to you at your seat.
Here's the DHL ramp.
As you are checking that seat back pocket for any of your personal items, if you could do us a favor and place any trash you find on your seat as you leave.
It's a 734 right there, nice.
Getting the aircraft ready for its next departure. A customer service agent will be available in the gate area to answer any questions regarding connections or baggage.
Take a look at this, guys. There's 2 Delta 767s over there. Very cool.
Put your bit back so I can
see. Looks like we are parking at gate number A14. Alright guys, we are pulling into gate A14. Alrighty guys. Alright, back where we started. Alright guys, here we are at the gate. There's the gate right there. Alright guys, here we are here in Concourse A, here at CVG. And the next clip will be once we get to the baggage claim, or if the train is here at CVG. Alright guys, that'll be it for my trip report today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and favorite. And we hope you enjoyed this trip report here today. And there's my flight up there from San Diego.